Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and today I'm making flan. This is really gonna bring me back to the Panama days, so let's get going. This recipe only includes a few ingredients: whole milk, 4 eggs, heavy whipping cream, cane sugar, and pure vanilla extract. Make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. First, we're going to start on making the caramel. Get a non-stick pan and add 1 cup of the cane sugar and turn your stove to medium-high heat. Make sure to not stir it or else the sugar will crystallize. But once the sugar begins to melt around the edges, use a wooden spoon to gently move the melted sugar towards the center. But once the melted sugar has reached a golden amber color, quickly pour it into the ramekins you will use for the flan. While we wait for the sugar to harden and cool in the ramekins, let's start on making the flan ingredients. In a measuring bowl, let's beat in 4 eggs. Next, we'll add a cup of milk, a cup of heavy whipping cream, a cup of cane sugar, and mix until combined, and add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and mix again. Now that our caramel is hardened in each ramekin, it's time to get a sifter and pour in the flan mixture into each ramekin. Before you do anything, take a blowtorch and light each part that has bubbles. We want our flan to have a smooth and even surface. Just be careful not to overdo it. Also, don't forget to add boiling water to the baking sheet. Add it to the baking sheet until it reaches halfway. This is called a water bath, and it helps cook the flan gently and evenly by providing a moist, consistent heat. Now into the oven these go at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes.
A few moments later.
Now that they're out of the oven, let them cool in room temp for an hour, and then after that, place them in the fridge for 4 hours or overnight. I know what you're thinking, making flan is a long process, but you gotta have a lot of patience. Even though I got patience when it comes to cooking, I'm still gonna eat it once 4 hours have been up. Alright, the flan is finally done, and it's time to try it, and I won't cap. This is delicious. Texture-wise, it's almost like a Filipino flan. I'll be honest, I still like Spanish flan better because it has a lighter custard-like texture. Filipino flan is more eggy than Spanish flan. That's another thing you gotta know. But since I'm having flan right now, this pretty much reminds me of Panama. Back when I first moved there, I usually had flan as a dessert. I miss those days. But cooking flan at home without sweetened condensed milk turned out a-okay. Algún día voy a volver a Panama. Van a ver, realmente. Pero la verdad es que no sé cuándo. Pero algún día. Algún día. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.